Yeah. Look, 5 a.m. the screen got a blue tint. Mapping the levels, I'm reading the blueprint. They're all hoping I'm seeing the movement. This ain't a gamble, this is improvement. I'm way past the hope it works. I'm in the zone where the focus works. They over leverage and go berserk. I see the pep pad, I know the perks. No emotion, I'm disconnected. The thesis is sound, the trade is selected. They checking the news, I'm checking perspective. Every entry I make is perfected. Click the mouse, I don't even doubt. Watch the red candle break down. They're taking nails, I'm taking a new route. I see the setup, I'm ready to clear out. Just print it. Print it. Account number looking like a phone digit. Yeah, I'm locked in. I'm in it to win it. I look at the chart and I tell it to print it. Print it, print it. Okay. Print it, okay. Every tick I touch goes vivid, goes vivid. They think I got a machine, I live it. I don't even check the account. Just print it, just print it. This ain't luck, this is repetition. This is chart time, this is ambition. This is calculated, pure conviction. Yeah, I already know the position, I'm the bad. Yeah, the one they dreaded. See that rally, I'm about to be headed. They all panic buying, misguided. I'm short in the top, cause I know where the smart money slid it. It's surgical, it's systematic. They're chaotic. I'm automatic, P&L looking cinematic. They blowing the counts. It's symptomatic, yeah, I'm modest, but it's upside down. Everything I touch is a profit found. Nothing to lose, everything to gain. It's a different mindset, I'm in a different lane. Just print it. Print it. Account number looking like a phone digit. Yeah, I'm locked in. I'm in it to win it. I look at the chart and I tell it to print it. Print it, print it. Okay. Print it, okay. Every tick I touch goes vivid, goes vivid. They think I got a machine, I live it. I don't even check the account. Just print it, just print it. They staring at the lines, they're frozen them execution. Focused, they're hoping. I've chosen the market's a notion. I'm coasting, it's a different kind of quiet. When you know the play before you short it. They see a ride, I see it died. I see what I want. I don't have to try it, I just print it. Print it. Print it, print it, print it. Account number looking like a phone digit. Yeah, I'm locked in. I'm in it to win it. I look at the chart and I tell it to print it, print it, print it, print it. Okay, print it, okay. Every tick I touch goes vivid, goes vivid. They think I got a machine, I live it. I don't even check the account. Just print it, just print it, just print it. Yeah, just print it, just print it. Tell them again. Print it, print it, print it.
Was all that all I had to do?
Yeah, the screen turned green, I had to bag, so I cash it out. Wouldn't do it bad, but the devil on my shoulder said one more. Now I'm watching profits walk right out the door, and all I had to do was walk away. All I had to do was walk away. Now I'm bleeding red on a broken day. All I had to do was sunlight coming through the blinds. Yeah, got a different mission on my mind. Flip the screen on, coffee in my hand. Swear to God I'm gonna stick to the plan. First trade hits, it's a perfect play. Watching numbers climb, it's a brand new day. I hit my goal, I'm up, I'm good at that. Feeling in my blood like I knew I would. But I'm still sitting in this chair. Stared at the profit, just kept it there. My hands on the mouse, but my brain's in the clouds. It's way too quiet, I need the crowds. Need a high, I need a rush. The voice of reason telling me to hush. I was a king, I had a crown. Didn't know I was better. Screen turned green, I had them back. Swore I'd cash it out, wouldn't do it bad, but the trade, I'm feeling bold. It's a story that's been told. A little dip is fine, it'll bounce right back. Then I see the whole damn chart start to crack. Panic setting in, my hands they shake. Just one more trade, for heaven's sake. I'll make it back, I'll get it right. Now I'm just chasing in the broad daylight. From green to gray, from gray to red. All of the voices in my head, they're getting louder, screaming at me. Trapped in this cell that I just let me be. Gave it all back and then I gave some more. Numb to the bone, staring at the floor. The high is gone, replaced with pain. Stuck in the middle of a screen, turn green. I had them back, so I cashed it out. Wouldn't do it back. The devil on my shoulder, said one more. Now I'm watching profits walk right out the door. And all I had to do was walk away. All I had to do was walk away. Now I'm bleeding red on a broken day. All I had to do was This ain't about the money, not really. It's the feeling that I'm my own enemy. It's a sickness, man, it's a damn disease. Brings a strong man right down to his knees. I had it all in the palm of my hand. A castle built on unstable sand. And I watch the waves just wash it out. Let me with the fear, let me with the doubt. Let me with the doubt. Yeah. Knew the screen was green, I had it bad. Should've cashed it out, why'd I do it bad? The devil on my shoulder, he said one more. Now I'm watching everything I had walk out the door. And all I had to do was walk away. All I had to do was walk away.
Paper cuts, all I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting losses, you ain't fucking trade with us. Paper cuts, all I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting losses, you ain't fucking trade with us. Paper cuts, yeah. Paper cuts, yeah. Paper cuts, yeah. All I take is paper cuts, yeah. Paper cuts, yeah. Paper cuts, yeah. Paper cuts, yeah. All I take is paper cuts, yeah. Paper cuts. Gotta check the chart, boy. Watching all these small caps, watching all this chart, boy. Now I take a cut, boy. I be selling quick, yeah. Stunning on the holder, boy. RSK, got a many wrist, man. Trade another day, man. Trade another day, yeah. Paper cuts. All I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting losses, you ain't fucking trade with us. Paper cuts. All I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting losses, you ain't fucking trade with us. Used to take the big hit, now I keep it tiny, boy. Read about the blow-ups, that's a different trader, boy. Discipline is all I got, I never trust a FOMO, boy. Used to bag whole stocks, now I'm just a scaler, boy. Yeah, the float is low, G, watching for the spike, man. Keep the stop loss ready, all my levels set, yeah. Ain't no second guess, yeah. You ain't talking risk, yeah. You ain't in the session, yeah. Get a mess, yeah. Cuts on cuts, yeah. Gotta keep it tight. Front of red, now I'm in the light. They were holding back, now they see the height, yeah. All I see is charts, all day, all night, yeah. All day, all night. All about that P&L cuts, paper cuts. All I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting losses, you ain't fucking trade with us. Paper cuts. All I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting losses, you ain't fucking trade with us. Paper cuts, yeah. Paper cuts, yeah. Paper cuts, yeah. All I take is paper cuts. Boy, just imagine the risk. Saving all the paper, boy. Yeah.
All right. Good morning, Green Team. How are we doing this morning, guys? Yep. Crow INHD. Woo! What a banger yesterday that thing was. Straight up, straight down. Ugh. I saw somebody worked it all the way up and worked it all the way down. That was impressive. So it's hard to remain objective on tickers such as that. That just gravity takes complete control over it. Now, I got I found a little post by a prop firm guy who was talking to the CEO. I want to share this with you guys, and just the difference between like the amateurs and pros at these prop firms, and really what differentiates them. And honestly, what it boiled down to for this guy said, all the traders who are failing these evals are making decisions like within essentially the trade, in the emotions, that is. So the robotic, the systematic, the guys who are passing these things and in flying colors, what are they doing? Every decision they make is made before they take the trade. And I know we go over this, but I have to re-emphasize it to myself too, because when we're under pressure, under emotions, making decisions, oftentimes that's not going to lead to profits. What leads to profits is, okay, let me predefine what this trade is going to be, the target, the stop loss, all of it. Predefine all of it before entering the trade. And that's where the 10 percenters were shining. This guy, the CEO, was saying at this prop firm. Most traders are trying to fight their way through these emotions, but you guys know, and I've been doing this for a while. I say the emotions don't really go anywhere. So if they're not going anywhere, then let's try to eliminate the emotions, right? And how do we do that? Well, the decisions can be made prior to the trade, in which case we just get involved with it, set the orders, and then there's no need for emotions to get involved. You're not controlling emotions, you're avoiding emotions. So take note of that. You're not controlling, you don't have to control the emotions, you're avoiding them. And a good author, Mr. Mark Douglas, said that very well himself. He said, if you can create a state of mind that's unaffected by what the market does, the struggle will cease to exist. So let's just avoid the emotions. Avoid them, not control them. Avoid them. All right, traders, let's dive into the watch list this morning. We got a few tickers coming on up. Yesterday was such a good, clean day for me until I stepped into AEHL. Yesterday I was so aggravated. I kind of got a little heavy, and I went to go set my stop as the thing shot up $0.50 into a squeeze before I got my stop out. Literally was 2 seconds away from getting my stop out. It sucked. That happens. It's all good. We move on. But yeah, unfortunate series of events there. Yesterday with AEHL for me. I'm still going to be monitoring that one going into today. And then, of course, wow, INHD. So after we see what we saw yesterday with the INHD, oh my God. Like, not only do we sell it completely off, this is why I was going over for like a week straight. Size down and give a lot of wiggle room. Many weeks straight. Because this BS right here, man, people were blowing up left and right on this, over leveraging too early. I mean, what kind of a chart pattern is this, guys? The middle finger of death. This is not a chart pattern. I mean, it's straight up, straight down. There's a lot of manipulation that's been taking place in these like sub-dollar tickers. And this was not surprising when we saw this in pre-market at 80 cents that it made this move. I avoided this ticker all day. Obviously, there was a lot to make here. But when you have the overcrowded ticker, it creates less of an edge. And that's what we saw here. I mean, backside, this thing was gorgeous. INHD. Crow, what do you catch on this one? Front or back or both? Yeah, it's INHD ended up backside it was capitulation mode on it. You got all those. Yeah, so and then after INHD, it was like perfect sympathy, right? Right? So it was INHD and then AEHL. That one kind of is one that held up, unfortunately. That was like the anomaly yesterday. What were the other ones? It was you had CJET. CJET halted down. CJET just capitulated, halted down, and gave everything back. And what's holding these plays on up? So you got these like Chinese tickers with no news, like AEHL, and what's holding them up? And then you have like INHD, which probably had something on it, but let's see. Yeah, I mean they had a PR, and then you have AEHL, which doesn't have a PR, and this is that kind of action you get. So just bear in mind going into today, like psychology is everything. So this week in general is going to be strange because of Thanksgiving. But not only that, what the Longs saw yesterday in those plays, do you think they're going to be holding those plays as long? Likely not. Likely not. So we got to figure out where they're going to be running this morning because there hasn't been a lot pumping on up. So I'm looking at the scanners to see if they got something going right now. G Cell, maybe. G Cell, just random 70,000 shares coming through. So we'll throw that one down. But you hit at 90 cents to 210. Gotcha. Good work on that, Crow. And Doug tried something new yesterday on the counter trend trading with INHD, hit the daily pause. Yeah, 5,000 account is challenging with like sizing front side into something. It's going to be challenging with the max drawdown. Yeah, and then those King of Day plays, Doug. King of Day plays can be really, they lure you into them, right? You get lured in, sucked in, and then they suck your pockets dry. Those King of Day plays. So yesterday, backside plays were amazing. Amazing yesterday. You have more edge there, right? A little bit more edge. BNED looking pretty good, Crow. BNED, a little light volume. Barnes & Noble, a lot of little earning plays this morning. What are your ideas here, Crow? BNND, you got about $10 as the 200-day, 50 days, 883. Oh wow, she was at lows too. A little bit of a ceiling here on the daily, 830s, which is about where it's at right now. But she hasn't really gotten liquid at all yet. All right, let's flip through some backside plays. And then we'll see what the gurus are pumping this morning. SGBX, man, I still think this one probably has some room down. Look at the levels that we've cracked on SGBX. I think 320, 350. Again, this could be one just for a nice slow. Yesterday, this thing bled a point. I could see that again today, at least half point. A pop would be really nice to get involved there, but otherwise, it's under some key levels. This was the big pump like 3 or 4 days ago, and you know where they go. See, look at BYND, 86 cents. That was the big pump like 3 or 4 weeks ago, and it's just been bleeding on out as the longs move on to the next shiny object. So SGBX could be one of those. I still like CYPH. She still yesterday worked that backside. And she's still good. Cracking under now, like 180, a key little support area, 220, 230 could be a little risk guide, sizing that according to that risk level. Not a bad play there. Oh, ENLV was the other one, Crow. Yeah, ENLV. That was the leading gapper yesterday that just decided to crap the bed as well. Look at this liquidity move it did too. It sold off, did a little red to green move, which you know how a lot of those newer traders are looking to buy those red to green moves right into the liquidity at the top, and then poof, there she goes. Oh, gels too. Gels was another one. So after INHD, it was like everything followed suit. ENLV, gels, CJET, they were all following suit. I think EPSM is one we need to monitor, guys. EPSM is, this one's on a multi-day kind of dead cat bounce. If you look at this daily, it dropped from 20 down to $1.20. Now back up towards $1.20, up towards $4.20. Every single day has had a little bit of a spike, a little bit of a morning spike over the last few days. So monitoring EPSM, seeing how that one's going to open up. MNDR was our little money hole yesterday. MNDR, Fades and I were working that. It put in like a crazy, surprising, like bottom here. I mean, I know you don't get just absolute complete annihilation. I mean, INHD style, that is nice when you're involved in a short and it just goes completely straight down beneath yesterday's close, even. But yeah, MNDR, man, I mean, it was a nice little crack and then just all the way back up. Provided another decent entry to get involved with it, but ended up not. That one ended up working out well. AEHL, we're definitely going to have to watch this one going into today. Again, I don't recall any news. I still don't see any news on AEHL. They squeezed this one. You see these lower wicks yesterday, so buyers were stepping up into this for the squeeze into the close after hours. Now back down towards previous close, 253. So one to definitely monitor going into today as they could get this one rowdy again today. It had a decent ceiling, 220, but key area that they popped this thing up through. All right, I got a pump, guys. We got a pump. I was waiting. I was wondering what they were going to get going. CETY, Pump City. All right, they just came out with a PR a couple minutes ago. CETY secures $10 million worth of battery energy storage project in New York. First of multiple large-scale systems expected to follow. Awarded a $10 million battery energy storage system project in New York. Okay. Okay, this is... Let's see. It's too funny. It's like the same kind of theme. You know, INHD ticker at its lows, at its all-time lows, and then you get something like this. INHD, man, that thing smacked its 200-day. 200-day is a great indicator. We need to just like throw orders on the 200-day moving average. If something's like way below it. But yeah, CETY at lows, just similar to INHD. 200-day moving average there. Oh boy. Here we go. Another pump in the building. Fades. What you thinking?
Good morning, guys. What do we got? King of the day action?
Oh my god. CETY. She just started pretty much.
Yeah. That cheap dollar theme continues. So, yeah, sorry guys, I had to run to the store. Can break down my watch list real quick because we're kind of tight to the bell. Anything we haven't gone over yet. So, I'm just lurking on WeShop.
You
That's the 5-day
degenerate.
king, and it's like, what is that thing doing? Like, there's probably going to be a trade there, but
Look at yesterday, bro.
and the volume roll
Yesterday.
too. So it's like you're gonna have to take like one share at a time, which is probably what you should do anyway. But
You recognize yesterday this what my cursor? That's the entirety of the day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 orders.
are you serious? All day?
Yes.
Bro, what are they
They're
doing with that
degenerate.
thing? Like, I mean, I'm seeing like orders go through like 10, 20 shares this morning. So I don't know. Maybe there's a little more volume this morning, but yeah, like the other day it was super liquid. Like the spread was just jumping like $20, $30 before like any order would even print on the books. Like, that's crazy. But anyway, so WeShop, that's the degenerate one. Yeah, AEHL, definitely watching that one to see. It almost looks like they put that death candle in on it, but it's been grinding and the bulls need something, so you know that thing could stay rowdy. How much volume does that thing have this morning?
It's actually pretty decent on volume.
It could get rowdy at Bell, perhaps.
Yeah.
And then let's see, CYPH. We've been watching that one. That one worked out really. That one's been great, dude. That's been a great trade for us.
Look, I mean, the levels are great here. It's cracking under another key level.
Yeah, and it came from 40 cents. That overextended crypto treasury, whatever merger, pretty much a scam. Then we got CMBM. That's flirting with key levels here at 220 key level. Probably gonna wash to ones soon here, guys. CMBM. I think I like that one today.
Oh yeah, that's not bad. Looking short. Right down to support. Yeah, the 222 level.
And then let's see what else. BCG. How's that one look? BCG.
Oh, I missed that one yesterday, I think.
Says
Oh,
it's CEO bought shares though. That's kind of sketchy.
It's a little illiquid. I mean, yeah.
It just showed up on the backside list. And then Fox. What's Fox doing?
What a crazy,
Fox is interesting.
What a crazy move yesterday.
Yeah, I know, dude. That thing's weird. But pretty much just gonna watch for a capitulation move there. See if we get that.
Yeah, I like that. It's a little spready, so size and half or quarter if trading this. But yeah, it was a nice hangover, and then it snapped out of the gates, and then red to green move and held.
Mm-hmm.
I like all that. We're watching the same stuff. CYPH cracking some key levels. CMBM, I do like that. I wasn't watching that. SGBX, I think, can go lower, dude. Looking at that chart, it's kind of like CYPH in that it's cracking, like it's heavy still against some key levels.
Yeah. Okay.
320 to 350, those levels. Yeah, 320 to 350 SGBX. And then ZJK, dude, I feel like that one.
Yeah.
Weird that they could get rowdy with that again or something. But MTC, we called that. They are curling that thing all the way back around, dude.
ZJK, I read the financials are actually kind of good, so just a little bit of extra fundamental research there. Because I was looking at that chart, I'm like, what the heck is going on here? But the balance sheet actually looks good there, so just some background.
Okay, it's kind of a scary, sketchy one too.
Yeah. Yeah, so I mean, not a ton on the watch. Olma is another one, but that one's been grindy and kind of low volume. Yeah, that's grindy. I mean, it could be a good risk level, but it hasn't really confirmed yet. Yeah, I mean, besides that, AEHL definitely, probably be some trades there, scalps there today, and that name. Really interesting level. Like, are the Bulls going to get any love here, or is it just going to roll over in this market? That's pretty much what we're waiting to see at this point.
Yeah.
See if it starts to
get good job, Crow, on taking CTY. My hesitancy with I wish I could press the long button. It's just what happened with INHD yesterday. Oh my God. I just don't think longs are going to hold on as long going into
today. Yeah, the sentiment changes quick. Like, they think about like what this ticker did yesterday, and like it really goes off that. It's a good point. So
CGEM is a hangover. I may stab at this one. This is like one of the cleaner hangovers I've seen. CGEM. It's a decent looking chart, just against like 1350 to see if that profit takes.
Okay.
It's a little spready ish right now, so we'll see if that tightens up. So just
maintain to buy. All right.
We got slim pickings this morning.
Yeah, it definitely is. And then, we'll keep an eye on the scanner. That CETY. I'll just have that pulled up and see how that reacts today.
But I like if I can stay disciplined to just take some of our backside plays today, I like those. I mean, the CYPH, SGBX.
Yeah, they've been fruitful. Typically, that's how it goes. The king of days are feast or famine, and the backside plays remain true. That's pretty much what it's been.
MG in the building. Good morning to you, MG. How's the pre-market been treating you? Hidden sellers 180s on CETY. Okay. Was it a kind of just hitting, not being able to get through 180 right now? Yeah, and then there was like LNAI, which was in a flag this morning that's cracked, but that's not up much anymore.
Yeah.
Slim pickings.
Yeah, definitely a little sleepier.
Yeah, Alma's been real interesting for sure. I mean, she's been on this stair-steppy uptrend, back up towards like some of that. Oh man, like from Tuesday that play 9 to 38 and kind of stair-stepping back up there. So
yeah, AEHL getting a little pop here.
Okay, about 1:30, guys.
Yeah, might be.
If you're just now tuning in, I mean, we got pretty much, you got my watch list on the bottom left side, but AEHL and CETY, a few backside plays we're looking at. Good morning, Emmanuel in the building. Yeah, CYPH just dumping. CYPH was still a nice chart. We've been working that last couple days since the trend break at 290, but I mean, it just keeps cracking key levels and still looking bearish. SGBX feels dead too. It's like the bulls are not going to run on something like this after it's already made its move. It's like so 350 could be that risk level SGBX. Adding on Icon Crow, yeah, ICON, little cheap penny play. They could get a little attention at Bell. 2 million flow, 18 million shares traded on it, but right now CETY has got majority of the attention going into Bell. So let's see what they're going to do, guys, at Bell. Stay safe, discipline. I'm going to try to just not going to be too eager to jump in anything here.
Yeah, see what's going on.
But CETY definitely where the party's going to start. The IMG, yeah, CYPH has been good. It's been good. There's the bell, guys. Let's get it. All right, yeah. I'm gonna flip through a few different plays. You monitoring? What you looking at out of the gates?
I'm watching AEHL right now, seeing how that's gonna act. CETY is looking kind of bearish right now.
CGEM is the hangover snapping. It's spready though. It's kind of hard to get involved there. Yeah, AEHL interesting. Fox is as well. Fox a little interesting there.
Damn, CYPH just dumped at 1.5. Should have held my shares.
And popped up a little bit, yeah. Might give an entry. I still like it against the 1.8.
AEHL pumping. They're gonna spike that and then wash it down.
Good morning, Uncle Cash. Good to see you in here. Yeah, let's AHL. They're getting a little pump on that one going this morning. And CETY having some trouble at 1.8. Is 1.8 still kind of absorbing orders?
I think Fox. I want to see what Fox is going to do here. If we get any volume. I'm looking to get involved there.
I'm going to get involved with CETY against the 1.8. See what it does.
Yeah, it's kind of selling off right now. Let's see. Let's put in bearish signals, see what they're gonna do.
They might still toy around with it a little bit.
AEHL had a big wick to 3, but it's been selling off since. Bulls need to see that reclaim or it's gonna get ugly quick.
All right. Yeah, see,
That's even a good candle to risk off of, if it can reclaim this candle or not.
Crow
The
2
3,
plus, yes.
the wick to 3 on AEHL.
Okay.
And
Yeah,
then,
see.
I'm watching Fox. I'm gonna scale in Fox just a little bit because I can't take much, so I have to go start with small size there and scale.
Yeah, AHL, I'm gonna try that with you against that wick it just put in.
Yeah.
3 looks pretty good, AHL.
Mm-hmm. Let's go. This thing's already been bearish this morning. It's been bearish all pre-market, so good risk levels off that wick. Scaling my stop in thirds.
Yeah, it's looking pretty decent here. CETY at that 180. We'll see what they do with it. The 1.8s. I don't think it. I just don't see. I see the CETY guys just not holding on as long as they did with, as far as they do with INHD, but we'll see.
Fox getting volume here. If you're interested, just get in. Just gave a lot of volume to scale it.
Okay. Barnes and Noble BNAD hitting some highs right now. A few different earning plays that are popping up. Kohl's as well. I don't know how Kohl's is making money, but they are. So.
But somehow they are. AHL, here goes the pump. Might not be done with it. CETY still looking bearish. Fox, see how much they're gonna pump that thing. I scaled my stops above 4.5, 4.7. So I mean, pretty much if it goes into the high day.
Yeah, CETY looking.
Yeah, CETY is looking heavy, man. Seems like it's gonna have a hard time reclaiming that. You would think.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, AEHL, that feels like they're. We'll see what they do with that, but if CETY starts, CETY back up to 175.
Wow.
180s. Oh my God, you have got to be kidding me. This is what we're dealing with again today. Oh my God.
What a scam, dude.
This is so ridiculous, dude. This is utter insanity. This is what I'll do.
Yeah, that's king of the day, man. That is insanity, though. That is actual insanity. Like that candle, bro. From 1.5 to 1.9, bro. I'm good. I'm good on this cheap penny thing. Like I'm good.
I tried it once. I might
AHL.
step out of the way, but
That
good
is
Lord.
just stupid, dude. It's just stupid.
BNED, a little top heavy, those upper wicks. Yeah, I can't. I just can't. I tried it
Yeah.
once. I'm good.
CGM though, that one you called looks good. CMBM, that one feels like Nightmare Zone's coming. CMBM. I'm gonna scale that one a little bit.
CGM might not be done either. I mean, it's just kind of hard to get involved with.
Here's the spread and the volume.
Yeah. If it gets a little pop, I might involve myself there.
Yeah.
Like, what is AEHL gonna do? I mean, it's just
I think
haven't made
it's
up our mind yet.
yeah. Hopefully just reeling in bulls, but let's see.
INHD lower. EPSM's kind of selling off, but a little spready there too. Yeah, CYPH lower, SGBX lower. Man, yeah, SGBX is looking good. Could see her just heading straight back down to $1.60 or so. CGM tanking, dude. Oh my god, it's painful.
Did you get in it?
No. I get hesitant sometimes, man, especially when it's like 30, 40 cent spreads, even though it does work out so well like that. Yep, here's the CGM hangover, guys. She's working out. 1.5 points already.
Yeah, great call there.
I'm just in AEHL right now, but it's kind of, I mean, I like it. It's just like her to make up her mind here soon.
Yeah, hopefully those are just some trappy wicks, but let's see. It's been bearish all pre-market, so.
CTY up toward getting close to 2.
BNED, well, that's Barnes and Nobles up 35%. Time to short Barnes and Nobles.
I know, man. Like, I'm actually kind of surprised all these earnings are good with the way things are, if inflationary times.
Right.
This CTY chart's next level crazy. And then AEHL looks like she's gearing up for a 3 break. Or not. See, when they that's what they want you to think. Yeah, when it starts looking like that, maybe it's the
it's all upside down world, dude. It is. Literally everything's backwards. There we go.
There we go.
Yeah, my plan
Is it
today.
time to size this?
My plan today was thinking to just ride this thing into the sunset. AHL, the way the market's looking.
Yeah, I might join you on that ride if there's enough room for 2 of us on that horse. I'm gonna hit it again down here and reduce the risk.
Yeah, I mean, it hasn't broke our initial trade idea, and now it's looking really bearish. So send it, moon boots, swamp boots.
It's getting close. It's getting close. I'm just looking for a clean Tuesday, man. I just want to avoid the shit show that is CETY.
Yeah, that's a good way to start with CETY, that reclaim.
Oh my god, dude. Like when it started looking like it was done against the highs, oh man. And then like chasing down into that would have been painful.
That's
She's
just
up in the
ridiculous.
220s now, man. 220s.
CMBM is looking pretty good, guys, as well.
I don't think there's any chance I'm gonna buy CETY up here. Tempting, but not really.
Buy it. Oh Lord.
We know that'll be the top whenever we jump into a long. Yeah.
I'm sitting in AEHL price target 2-ish.
2-ish. 0. 2-ish. Yeah, AEHL's it for me too right now, guys.
It's already almost at 250 now. 250 is going to give soon. Yeah, like 230-ish is a decent target. But this thing just came from 1 on nothing. And the nature of this market right now, I mean, this thing can go to $1.50.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, this trade probably has 50 cents or a point to give. Could be today if it stays weak. It's looking really bearish right now. Great risk levels just off these last 3 5-minute candles.
Mm-hmm.
Obviously, getting over that's going to be sketchy.
They have been like it has been like trap season. Like the last month or two, guys, for shorts, it's been honestly in some of these small cap plays, it's been hard to survive these if you're not disciplined because they have trapped left and freaking right. Like every time it looks like a good short, it just flips. It just flips along like this right here.
Crazy, dude. Yeah, it's actually been insane.
Yeah, so the good they need to rewrite the books instead of like buy the bull flag. No. Buy when this shit looks like it's going to 0. buy when it cracks under the bull flag. Buy when it cracks below the bull flag, and then
Yeah, upside down rope. I can't believe that. That chart looks so bearish. That CETY, like it was like it had to be done, and then that's when they rip it.
Mm-hmm. Well, let's hope that theme doesn't pass over to AEHL.
Doesn't make its way through. CMBM looks really good, guys. A lot of big blocks going through. It's probably just unwind time there.
CMBM.
Breaking key level 205s.
Yeah, this is a really key level. CMBM. I like it.
Yeah, I've been studying this thing for about a
long
month.
time.
Yeah.
Volume a problem there.
This was the Starlink hype that just the hot air balloon just slowly unwinding.
Yeah, so is it not good Starlink news or there?
I guess like it was just overhyped. I think it was just overhyped, but overall the company is still struggling, obviously, because the price is just, price never lies. So the market is not taking the Starlink,
Yeah.
It's not sustaining.
the news was probably like the company's installing a Starlink, like on their building or something.
Yeah, something. Who really knows, dude? You know, the bulls just buy it up when they see that headline, and the algos too at this point. Jeez. So Fox put in a wick there. This one's a tricky name, guys, but I have done DD, and this is a really sketchy stock. So it kind of feels like a not an if, but when. But that overconviction can ruin you. So just careful with it. I'm in small size. I gave it that wiggle room, but it's a little choppy by nature. So see if that was a sloppy test and wash. If they're gonna keep pumping it. But
4.6 is decent risk.
It's given a risk level off that pop it just put in. So just FYI.
Yeah, I'm look at Fox to get involved there too. FOXX off of the 4.6's previous close line. 4.6 is there.
Yeah, it just popped right there in textbook wash. So let's see if they're gonna gather back up and push it higher.
Because this thing could head back down to $2.
Getting a little bit of volume here, which could be a sign of a top and a shift. Let's see. Just rejected right down to VWAP. So now it's key. What are they going to shuffle? And then CGEM did kind of like a death candle back up. Is it given an entry level? How's the volume and the spreads there?
Yeah, a little pop back up.
Go ahead and elevator to $2. Like
CD is at the 240s now. Sweet.
Yeah, I'll revisit that one back at after hours, or I'll just have it pulled up, and if it really like puts in a death candle, I'll get back involved. But I'm good on that action until they really tell us like.
Yeah, once we see INHD style, right? That thing.
Yeah, we got to see like some kind of confirmation, right? Yeah, like just being patient, having these charts pulled up, not getting too emotional on front side like we talk about. It's just that's everything, like you said, like. So many traders get manipulated on this action, like surviving in this manipulative market.
Barnes & Noble does look kind of heavy too.
It's almost like with the king of the days, don't look at the small time frame. Like zoom out to like bigger picture, right? And wait for
Oh my god. Oh my god.
What happened?
AEHL freaking wicked me out. That son of a bitch. Oh.
Just now?
Yes.
Oh my god, dude.
You have.
Well, it might not be a bad thing, dude. It might reverse right here.
Yes,
I mean, it's a sketchy chart, dude. It's a sketchy ticker, man.
I'm getting this market is driving me nuts these days.
Yeah. I hear you, bro.
All right. So now I'm in the foxhole, giving her a try still.
Yeah. I mean, if this thing can top right here, it's going to be a real nice trade. I'll say that because it's got a lot of room on the backside. Like the RR is through the roof right here. It can just stay heavy.
Mm-hmm.
Because their financials are really bad. We shot not one share traded. Like, what is that ticker doing? Who did that? Like, wow. You're like trading on trade the pool before the volume rule. You're trading on trade the pool, like just trading the spreads. Like the spread was changing $20. You're just trading that. Like no shares are actually even being traded in the company, but it's like ghost shares trading on the spread change. It's like you could have actually done that a couple of days ago. That's a crazy thing. Yeah. How do you feel about the new rules and everything? Like, Discord yesterday.
The 5%'s kind of like with my hangovers, maybe is probably problematic, like the sea gym this morning. But yeah, I mean the 8%. I think everybody was fairly happy the 8%'s gone.
Yeah, that was kind of like a weird. Like it made sense, but it was kind of annoying to calculate. And then the volume rule makes sense too, but it's just there's certain situations where it screws you up. And that's what sucks. Like I get it,
Mm.
I get the gist of it in general, but like at the same time, it's a big ask. It's a big hurdle in a way.
Yeah.
Because like
Yeah.
when you're trading on your own, like you know, like you're not always just gonna be 5% of the volume. Like it's like depending on what ticker you're trading, and then us being shorts makes it more complex because like we don't really necessarily want a ton of volume.
Right.
So, um, I mean, I understand it, like not wanting people to like go all in on a position too quick. Like it prevents degeneracy in a sense, but it also invites degeneracy to the CETYs because you're not worried about a volume rule with that, right? So it's like the degenerates can still try to hit home runs on King of Days because of volume rule, but like
Mm-hmm.
any other ticker, you have to size into strategically to like build size. That's pretty much like what we're dealing with now. I mean, unless like you're trading like a big cap too, yeah, it just like puts a bigger hurdle on small cap traders, like trading some of these sketchy names, essentially. And then like pre and post
CTY
market,
dumping kind of CTY.
yeah, and
See
then
what it
pre and
does here.
post market, like the can be problematic. Yeah, you're right. I mean, it's like two candles down. That's see, if they can't reclaim that candle there at 2-3. We just zoomed out to the 5-second chart. I don't want to zoom too far in here. Yeah. One more wave of selling and they might start to panic.
Yeah, it's looking heavy. I didn't think they would be able to. I mean, we'll see. Are they going to just trap more shorts? The 240 is going to be the top.
Think. Yeah, selling off, bro. Sell it on off, girl.
Drop that ask. Drop that ask.
CMBM is dumping.
All right, CD. I'm gonna try to
See if they reclaim this again.
get involved here on like a pop.
On what?
CD. Yeah, CD. Maybe against the highs there. Any pop like
AHL, there they go. Pumping that thing up.
just unbelievable, man. It's just unbelievable.
They're wicking it. Looks like wild wicked again.
See, your CMBM looks good.
That thing's behaving well.
Yeah, MNDR was great. Tuna, that was a great play yesterday. SGBX might be given a little bit of an entry here. Still, the 320 there is good. I mean, there's not much keeping her afloat, is there?
SGBX.
Yeah.
Probably not. CTY, man. I mean, after yesterday, the bulls are really shaking, right? Like, they're gonna reclaim this on us, or they're gonna give it. They're gonna give it up. The bear's gonna feast. The bear's gonna feast.
I'm
Or are they
looking
gonna
for
trick
an
us all
entry
out
here.
and market makers shuffle squeeze to 350?
I like it. It feels heavy. I'm
Yeah,
gonna
you
get
know what
started
comes
again
to
there.
them. Yeah, I like it too.
I'm gonna go ahead and get started there again. Was Fox is like crazy, this chart. FOXX.
Is it pumping again? What's it doing?
I mean, I don't. It's just kind of slowly curling up a little bit.
Yeah. Yeah, getting spready again too. That wick, yeah, just yeah. It's too It's like spready and manipulative. It's a tricky one. Saddle up.
Yeah, I like to see if CTY they'll pop that up against even the 240s, 50s. Can get involved there. I think there's a lot of traders trying to get involved on CTY on this backside. Who want INHD from yesterday, you know?
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Saddled up. I cap it up. Finger out.
Here we go, round two.
Get some more coffee.
Okay. Yeah, City trying to hold VWAP right now. It's right on that 198 level. Three is in the cards. Yeah, if it tests that 250 again, yeah. I mean, it certainly could. I got to roll fades. Going over to trade the pool here for the next couple hours, guys. But yeah, just monitoring City now. This thing looking a little heavy. I think it follows INHD. That's what it looks like. But if not, we'll step out of the way.
All right, brother.
Kind of going sideways here a little bit. See what she wants to do. But yeah, man. I'll see you on here tomorrow.
All right, guys. Yeah, we'll be in touch.
Appreciate your fades.
Yeah, man.
Head over to TTP if you guys want to stick around. We'll see you guys over there.